Hey guys, Ace of Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. I want to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and then helps us bring more quality content to you guys so that you can get to the Tournament of Kings here a lot faster. Hey guys, Ace of Vegas here. So now that you know how to pack, now that you know how to play the games, what games to play, now you have some loyalty points, let's figure out how to cash them in. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a step-by-step guide right now, like you guys have been requesting, and I'll show you exactly how to do it piece by piece. Don't worry, the beginner's guide is still coming, still working on that. I'm shooting like 2 more scenes for that and editing it this week, and I will have it up. So I apologize for the wait. Thank you guys for asking me about that and staying on me so I stay motivated to keep up with the project. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first things first, open your web browser, be it Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, what have you, and then make sure that you go to your Facebook. Now, when you guys get to Facebook, make sure you go to MyVegas Free Casino, like you always do to log into the game. You're going to go up to the gold loyalty coins over here and click on them. Pick the reward that you want, where you want it. Once you've selected your reward, read the terms and conditions and make sure that you're not within any blackout dates. We're going to be traveling mid-September, so I had to double check to make sure. If you haven't already, is to join MyVegas Rewards. You can click on it through there, and it'll take you to the emlife.com website where you can either sign up or sign in. To click next. Your next step is to fill in your information. Once your info's in, you scroll to the bottom, read through your terms and conditions, and then agree. Confirm your reward, and that's that. It gives you a redemption code and also emails you a code too. It'll also tell you when you need to use your reward by. It's as simple as that. Rinse and repeat as necessary. Enjoy those rewards, guys. Cash out strong and happy spinning.